Hello friends. Today we will introduce it to you. How to assemble the blade and the motor into one piece. These are parts of the motor. These are the parts of the paddle. Let's unscrew it first. We need to plug this into the motor first. Try to have no gaps. Next, we install the lock ring to flush it down. Then we install the blades, and the direction of the blades is. This raise point is in the direction of the plane's advance. For example, this is a plane pulled forward and placed on the nose. Then this bulging convex surface. It's going to be outside, just like this. But we can see the paddle width. There is a large gap in the screw in the middle. Then we need to install these gaskets. We choose a suitable size gasket for installation. Now after installation, the blade is tightly attached to the screw. Then we install this bullet nut. For example, if the plane pulled forward, we must let the plane fly correctly. Its motor direction should be rotated counterclockwise, that is, it rotates like this. Then after it can't be twisted, there is a small hole on it. We can put some harder items in it. Continue to tighten. Hold the blade in your hand and don't let it rotate. Okay, tighten it. In this way, our paddle is assembled. But when we are testing, we must not install paddles for testing. Prevent it from hitting it.